In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple watermelon drink that will naturally aid in weight loss, increase your energy levels, detox your body, while also providing excellent nutritional values to help improve your immune system so that you can have increased energy to go about your day. I will explain the benefits of having this simple watermelon detox drink as part of a regular diet and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy drink consists of only 3 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1/4 cup of chopped watermelon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 glass of water. Once you have all the contents gathered, you can place them in a glass or in a blender and mix until you have consistent texture. Once all the contents have been mixed, place everything into a jar or container and place in the fridge to be left overnight. For the most effective results, make sure to have a drink of this first thing in the morning as soon as you get up on an empty stomach. This simple and healthy drink not only helps to boost the immune system, but it also helps to detox the body, to lose stubborn belly fat, and it's packed with loads of healthy nutrients and anti-inflammatory properties to help alleviate muscle and joint pain. This simple drink won't take long to prepare and you will be pleasantly surprised with how good it tastes to get your day off to the perfect start. And if you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then please check out the link in the description to help get you started. Again, if you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.